Welcome! In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to personalize your emails in Mautic with the latest interface. Personalizing your emails can help you connect with your audience, increase engagement, and make your campaigns more effective. In just a few simple steps, you'll see how to add dynamic content, insert contact-specific fields, and even show different content to different segments, all using Mautic's modern email editor. First, log in to your Mautic admin dashboard. Then go to Channels and select Emails to access your email campaigns. Click New to create an email or select an existing one you want to personalize. Inside the email editor, use dynamic content tokens to personalize emails. Place the cursor where you want personalized content, click Insert Token, and select the contact field like first name. You can also use conditional content to show different text or images for specific segments. Preview your email to see how it looks for different contacts. Send test emails to confirm personalization works correctly. Once satisfied, save and send your email. And that's it. Your emails are now personalized to each contact. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.